Sadbhavna Divas, 20th August. Sadbhavna Divas is celebrated every year on 20th August to commemorate the birth anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India. Sadbhavna Divas also reminds us to maintain love, peace, communal harmony among all religions. Sadbhavna in the English language means goodwill and bona fide. The only mission of the Rajiv Gandhi government was to have a good feeling for others. In 2008, it was celebrated on 20th August in a rally organized by the NSS volunteers of the COBS unit in the university premises. Importance of Sadbhavna Divas. Sadbhavna Divas is celebrated to commemorate the birth of our sixth and youngest Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Contributions to society's betterment are made on this day, paying respect to Rajiv Gandhi and his vision for India. He left a deep impression on several hearts, not just with his persona, but also with his inspiring words. One can only hope that his dreams for India get realized as we progress towards a better tomorrow. India is an old country, but a young nation, and like the young everywhere, we are impatient. I am young and I too have a dream. I dream of an India strong, independent, self-reliant, and at the forefront of the front ranks of the nations of the world in the service of mankind, said Rajiv Gandhi. Sadbhavna Divas Pledge. Sadbhavna Divas is celebrated across India with great zeal and enthusiasm. Indians also take a pledge on this day across the country, which is, I take this solemn pledge that I will work for emotional oneness and harmony of all the people of India regardless of caste, region, religion or language. I further pledge that I shall resolve all differences among us through dialogue and constitutional means without resorting to violence. Rajiv Gandhi National Sadbhavna Award. A year after Rajiv Gandhi's death, the Indian National Congress instituted Rajiv Gandhi National Sadbhavna Award in 1992. It was established to accredit outstanding contributions in promoting national integration, peace and harmony. Apart from the citation, the award also includes a cash award of Rs 10 lakh and it is presented every year on Rajiv Gandhi's birth anniversary. A few of the renowned recipients of the award are Mother Teresa, Shehnai Maestro Ustad Bismillah Khan, freedom fighter Subhadra Joshi, Lata Mangeshkar, former President K.R. Narayanan, Nirmala Deshpande, Maulana Wahiuddin Khan. Sadbhavna Divas Celebration. Programs are organized in different parts of the country on the occasion of Sadbhavna Day, and everyone is taught the lesson of Go Green. People plant more trees on this day and more attention is given to the greenery theme in the programs. Speeches are made to keep nature clean to eliminate pollution. Children play, paint, debate and sing on this subject. It is celebrated with great pleasure to make people aware of critical environmental issues. Most importantly, the statue of Rajiv Gandhi is decorated with flowers and wreaths, and Goodwill Day is celebrated by family members and close participants, friends, political leaders and the congressmen in India. The people respect Rajiv Gandhi's Veer Bhumi Smarak. This day is celebrated to fulfill their passion for national progress. About Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi was 40 when he became the Prime Minister of India. He is regarded as the youngest Prime Minister of country. He is the grandson of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and son of Indira Gandhi, the first Lady Prime Minister of India. Rajiv Gandhi became the Prime Minister of India after the assassination of Indira Gandhi. He had served from 1984 to 89. He contributed significantly to country's development and announced a national policy on education in 1986 to modernize and spread higher education programs across India. He founded a central government-based institution, namely Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya system in 1986 for the upliftment of the rural section of the society by providing free residential education from grades 6 to 12. Due to his efforts, MTNL established in 1986 and created public call offices to spread telephones in rural areas. Quotes by Rajiv Gandhi. Better a brain drain than a brain in the drain. A responsive administration is tested most at the point of interface between the administration and the people. She was a mother not only to me, but to the whole nation. She served the Indian people to the last drop of her blood. Our task today is to bring India to the threshold of the 21st century, free of the burden of poverty, legacy of our colonial past, and capable of meeting the rising aspirations of our people. For some days, people thought that India was shaking, but there are always tremors when a great tree falls. Development is not about factories, dams, and roads. Development is about people. The goal is material, cultural, and spiritual fulfillment for the people. The human factor is of supreme value in development. Women are the social conscience of a country. They hold our societies together.